Here's a 2017 Ram 2500. This 2500 makes short work of tough situations. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, trailer hitch receiver, electronic shift on the fly, rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend elaborates, clearly there's something for everyone on the new heavy-duty Ram. It looks better, it's got more features, it's got more power, and it can tow and haul more than ever before. When you need to grab life by the horns, you need a Ram. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today. Lakeside Chevrolet is here for all your automotive needs, from sales to service and parts. Call, click, or stop in today. We're located in Rockwall, Texas, just minutes from Garland and Dallas.